Agatha, I'm not sure I can catch them. They are very fast.
Mommy, I will...
Agatha, I think you don't need this maze anymore. Try it just on the table. Make your paperclip dance. Can you? Ooh, it's creeping somewhere. What?
It's creeping there.
Move it with the magnet underneath. Not on top of the table. Yeah, like that. Oh, here it is! Agatha, doesn't it look like a creeping bug?
Yes, it's a creeping bug.
Oh, two creeping paperclips. What are they doing?
They are bugs.
They are bugs.
Bugs.
Naughty bugs? Make them dance. Boogie woogie. Where is it? Make them dance. Can you? Hold it. Press it to the surface. Make them dance. Boogie woogie, boogie woogie. Are they dancing? Is that fun? Oh, wow. You can make them spin, yeah? Make them creep slowly and then fast. Can you make them creep slowly? Slowly. I got not that slow, a little faster. Oh, look! Okay, let me show you. Give it to me for a minute.
Mom, can
look.
I eat the sweet?
A sweet, not now, later. I got. Look, they can creep slowly and fast. Woo! Slowly.
Slowly.
Can you do what? I got better play, and I will.
No.
That's what this video. What are you doing? What are you doing? Catching them. Catching them.
I'm playing football with them.
Playing football. What an idea.